Tired of being tethered to your car's wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto? The Magic AI Box wireless CarPlay adapter offers a simple plug-and-play upgrade that frees you from cables while adding powerful new features. Imagine streaming Netflix or YouTube in stunning 4K without lag, all on your factory-installed car screen. What sets this adapter apart is its built-in equalizers for professional-grade audio tuning, delivering crisp, balanced sound no matter your playlist. Thanks to an upgraded thermal design and Wi-Fi 6 technology, it handles intense streaming without overheating or dropping connection. Whether it's a summer road trip or winter commute, the Magic AI Box keeps your entertainment smooth and reliable. Designed specifically for vehicles with OEM wired CarPlay or Android Auto, it works flawlessly with iPhone 7 and newer, iOS 10 Plus, and Android phones running 11 or above. Before buying, just double-check your car's compatibility to ensure a perfect fit and effortless plug-and-play setup, no tech skills needed. This isn't just a wireless adapter, it's a 4-in-1 media powerhouse. Switch between wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, or dive into a full Android 10.0 OS with 32 GB storage. Download apps like TikTok or Spotify right onto the device, or navigate with Google Maps seamlessly. It's everything you want from your in-car system, wrapped in one compact box. Transform your car's screen from a basic display to an intelligent hub. The Magic AI Box supports offline media playback via USB or TF cards, so you're never without entertainment, even when the signal drops. Plus, it integrates without altering or dismantling your original infotainment system, preserving your car's factory look and feel. Setup is a breeze. Just plug the included cable into your car's CarPlay or Android Auto USB port, and you're ready to go in seconds. The intuitive interface and floating button let you switch apps or return to your car's original system effortlessly, keeping your focus where it belongs, on the road. If you're looking for a reliable wireless upgrade that expands your car's entertainment options and keeps things simple, the Magic AI Box is worth a look. With stable 4K streaming, professional audio tuning, and versatile app support, it elevates every drive. Ready to cut the cord and upgrade your ride? Try the Magic AI Box wireless CarPlay adapter when you're ready and enjoy a seamless, smarter in-car experience backed by professional support and a risk-free trial.